I've shown hundreds of homes during my real estate career. Luxury, estates, historic properties, and houses with stories hidden inside their walls. But this listing felt different the moment we arrived. The buyer barely spoke as we stepped through the front entrance. The staircases twisted where they shouldn't have. Lantern light flickered through impossible hallways. After the first room, I should have ended the showing. But the buyer looked at me and quietly asked, "What's upstairs?" The staircases twisted in impossible directions. The walls glowed with strange colors, and every doorway felt like it was leading somewhere deeper than the house itself. I kept trying to explain the layout. The listing said the home had unique character, but nothing prepared me for this place. The staircases didn't seem to lead anywhere logical. Some doorways opened into glowing halls, while others revealed rooms that looked larger inside than outside. By the third level of the house, something felt different. The buyer wasn't reacting to the rooms anymore. He was reacting to the feeling of the place itself. The glowing hallways, the impossible staircases, the shifting geometric walls, none of it seemed strange to him now. We finally reached the highest corridor of the house, and for the first time, everything became quiet. The walls stopped shifting. The endless staircases finally made sense. Light poured through the doorway ahead of us, like the house had been waiting to reveal something. By the time we reached the upper terraces of the property, the house no longer felt confusing. It felt intentional. The staircases that once twisted endlessly through the dark now guided us upward without fear. Golden light poured across the walls, and every impossible room suddenly felt connected. The buyer stood silently at the center of the estate, looking out over the glowing landscape beyond. When we finally returned to the front terrace of the estate, the house no longer felt mysterious. It felt alive. Lanterns glowed across every pathway, and people slowly emerged from the surrounding homes, as if the entire place had been waiting for someone to complete the journey. By the end of the showing, the house no longer felt impossible. Some homes simply provide shelter, but once in a while, a house becomes part of someone's story.